going to be bringing you a look inside our brand new limited edition Christmas 2020 card kit. This is our We Believe kit, and it is jam-packed with so many bright and beautiful products, many Simon brand products, Doodlebug, Tim Holtz, and more. So let's jump on in. We're first going to look at the stamp set. This is the 6x8 We Believe stamp set, which we designed in collaboration with Doodlebug Design. You can see that there are so many sweet and cozy images in this set that you can use to make some adorable Christmas cards. You may also recognize the imagery from Doodlebug's Night Before Christmas collection. Inside the kit, you're going to get these beautiful dies from Tim Holtz. These are the fanciful Snowflake dies, and you can see here how gorgeous they are and detailed. You'll also notice that I cut these from some holographic paper. Do you know why? You're going to get a full-sized 8.5 by 11 sheet of this holographic cardstock in your kit. This is so much fun for die cutting snowflakes, adding some really cool holographic elements to your cards, and more. Next up, we have our 6x6 large polka dot stencil. This stencil is fantastic and will work perfectly with the Gina K Designs blending brushes, which happen to be brand new. There are 2 of these brushes included in your kit. Talk about value. And you're also going to get 2 full-sized ink pads. We're going to have our Audrey Blue and Jelly Bean premium inks inside the kit. Now you might be wondering, what can I do with this? Both of these inks and the blending brushes are perfect for adding beautiful ink blending to your card projects. Well, what else can you do? You can also add stenciling. I love being able to layer inks and stencils together to create some really cool texture and beautiful backgrounds. So here you can see I paired both colors together to create this really fun and festive background. We're not done yet. We have our new neighborhood die included in the kit. This adorable border die is perfect for creating so many cute little neighborhoods to add to your cards. You can see that it's perfectly sized to fit beautifully on an A2 portrait or landscape cards. So you're going to get a lot of great designs out of this die. You could also cut that die from some of the beautiful pattern papers that are in the kit. These are from the Doodlebug Night Before Christmas pack, and I love all these bright and festive patterns. So many cute designs, even tags that you could cut apart and add to your holiday gifts. There are 12 sheets of this paper included in the kit, and you can see that they're double-sided, so you're going to get a lot of great patterns and fun imagery from all of these pattern papers. Continuing with that Doodlebug theme, we also have some fun and festive stickers. You'll notice these adorable doodle pops have great detail on them, including glossy elements. Check out those candies, they look literally dimensional. Same with the cocoa mug with Santa Claus on it. I adore all of the beautiful detail that's added to these dimensional stickers. And the twinkle lights are so cute. Look at all these fun colors and in that glossy domed shape. I want to add these to a card with the neighborhood die. All right, more stickers are in the kit, and these are 2 sheets of the mini icon stickers. You can see all sorts of fun Christmas embellishments on here. Perfect for adding to your cards, or maybe you could stick some onto your envelopes. Speaking of which, we were including 3 inside your kit because we love to encourage you to send your handmade cards. The best part is that our envelopes already have adhesive on them, so no licking required. And you can see we've included white, metallic schoolhouse red, and Audrey Blue envelopes in your kit. To round things out, we have some Simon exclusive cardstocks in Doll Pink, Audrey Blue, Green Apple, and we have a Nina Solar White cardstock sheet as well. These are all 8.5 by 11 sheets. You'll get all 4 in your kit. And that completes our Christmas 2020 card kit, We Believe. Look at all these gorgeous products you're going to get inside the kit. This is a limited edition kit and only available while supplies last. This kit is not part of our usual subscription. This is on its own purchase. And if you would like to get this kit to have for your crafting projects for the holiday season, be sure to snag it while supplies last because these are going to go really quickly. I hope that today's walkthrough has given you a great look inside of this kit. Before we go, I wanted to leave you with a little bit of inspiration using the kit contents. So one of the cards I created used the adorable neighborhood die along with the fanciful snowflakes, The ink blended background I showcased during the video, and you'll also notice I added a sentiment from the sweet little We Believe stamp set. The next card also features that We Believe stamp set, and I thought the cat and dog and mouse were so cute. I wanted to make sure to color those for a sweet holiday card. I added some of the stickers from the mini icon sticker sheets, and some of the pattern paper was the perfect mat for my card scene. I hope you enjoyed today's walkthrough showcasing our Christmas 2020 card kit. If you'd like to see more inspiration showcasing our limited edition 2020 Christmas card kit, please be sure to head on over to our Simon Says Stamp blog. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!